Hi, so this video is going to show you how to sign up for an account with ReadWorks. So you're going to go to www.readworks.org. If you're a student, you're going to go to the student login. And once you go with the student login, you can log in with Google, or you can enter your class code. You would most likely, if you're a student in a class, you would enter your class code. If you're an individual student who's working on this, you can log in with Google. And then you're going to press continue. So your teacher is going to give you your class code. Since I'm already logged on, I'm here. You'll see my name. So I've already logged on. I cannot use, I have to sign in with an email account, so I cannot just log in with Google. So you do have to create an account. You can use your DOE account, you can use your Barnes account to sign in, but you do need to use an email account and a password to sign in to ReadWorks, and you need to remember what email you used and what your password is. The great thing about ReadWorks is that it's free, and that you can actually pick out the assignments that you want to give to your students. So right here, you're going to see find content, my list, assignments in progress, and class admin. So if I go to class admin, you'll see that I can create my own class here, create class. And once you create the class, you'll get a code. And you can also import from Google Classroom, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to create a class right now. But that's something you can do for your students. You can just do it that way. And I'm going to press, and I'm just going to call this test and say next. And it's going to say Google sign in. Students sign in with their own Google account. Student accesses class using a class code you give them. Best option for students with a Google account. So right here, this is what you're going to do. And right here, you're going to get the code that you can give your students. And you're going to have your students go to readworks.org/student. Students should sign in with their Google account, and students will enter their class code. And that is how they will access this classroom. Then you can go to find content. You can choose your grade level. You can use your topics, the text type, the Lexile level. So you can choose all kinds of grade assignments here. So let's just go and let's just say we want to go to third grade. So here's third grade, and you're going to have all different assignments that you can assign to your students. And let's just look at this, for example. Here's the assignment. It reads it to your students, which is great.
An unlikely parasite.
So if you have a struggling reader, this will read the text to them. Then you have your question set, and it reads the questions to them.
The mistletoe plant is evergreen. What does this mean?
Which is great for students who might be struggling readers. And then they can answer the questions. And they can do this all online, and you will get their progress and what they scored on it. And you can also print this out if you'd like. And you have the answer keys here, so all the answers are here as well. So this is a great tool that you can actually choose what assignments that you want to give to your students. You would click assign here, and then it would tell you, do you want to assign the comprehension, for what class you want to assign it to. And you can also just assign it to specific students. So it's a great way to differentiate instruction. So I hope this was helpful.